Good morning everybody on YouTube. Welcome to my Guess handbag unboxing video. This is the intro. I received it, I ordered it on Tuesday. Oh yeah, Monday. I apologize, I ordered it Monday night and I received it Wednesday afternoon. So I am absolutely delighted with it so far. I like it. Nice bag. Guess very posh indeed. Not as posh as Louis or Dior, but you know. Anyway lads, I'm just going to put the footage in here and then I will be back at the end for the outro. So here comes the unboxing. Okay, I will have just done the intro to this. So this is the box that is housing my new handbag. Yes, it is a Guess handbag. It is the Guess Camy bag. It's in a big fat box. Woohoo! And I'm going to have a go at unboxing this with the one hand. This should be interesting. I'm not sure. I've never bought a Guess bag before, so I don't know what way they package it. Okay, she's packaged in a big fat box. Then she comes with the receipt, which shows where it was delivered to, which is my home address, which I am not reading out over the interweb. And then you get the bag. Oh, I'm slightly annoyed, boys and girls. There's no bloody dust bag with this. Right, I'm going to put this camera into a different position. I'm not going to show myself on camera because I look like an absolute cream cracker. I was looking up at the ceiling there. Hold on till I stop this and start again. And we are back, folks. Very awkward I am. I've never filmed on this angle before. This arrived this morning. It's I am unboxing it live for you on camera. There doesn't appear to be a dust bag, which I will ring Guess and I will complain about, because according to the website they're all supposed to come with a dust bag. Clearly. This is the Camy bag. It's canvas leather. It's canvas. Okay, I will admit everything is protected to the high hole. Now I'm going to rip everything off it, of course, as you do, gently. Gently now, lads. I'm not hurting the bag out of it. Okay. I'm not sure what way that's attached, but whatever way it is, it's coming off. Okay. And now we have plastic here, which I'm going to slowly rip off the handle. I did promise you an unboxing, so I need my scissors. I'm in my pajamas, which is why I'm not appearing on camera here, guys. I'm too embarrassed. Now, I have no way of editing my videos. If there is a way of editing with iMovie, I'm sorry, guys. I'm inexperienced and just don't know it. So we are unboxing this bag very carefully and slowly. I got the mini Camy bag. I was impressed with the way it looked online. I'm not impressed with the fact that there's no dust bag. I will be ringing up Guess tomorrow. I know it's Christmas Eve, but I will be asking them, is there supposed to be a dust bag with it? And if there is, why was I not given that? As you see, the strap comes with a big fat strap as well, which I am about to remove the plastic off because I don't need it on it. It can be worn crossbody. And that's it. And the strap will probably, I'll be honest with you, very rarely be used because I really hate crossbody bags. But at the moment, I am just concentrating on opening her up. She has two pockets, one each side here. Take the paper out. Jesus, the amount of packaging they give you with these bags is shocking. Guess is a good brand. Now, if there is a dust bag in here, then I apologise, Guess. And there is. I apologise profusely to you. I will be using this. It's a nice soft cloth, little dust bag. It'll keep my little handbag perfectly safe. It is stuffed with a load of shit, filler as I would call it, which I am going to leave in the bag. I'm actually going to leave the filler that's in the bag till I'm using it. And when I'm not using it, I will put the filler back in because I've learnt my lesson from my Michael Kors because it went out of shape on me. I was really gutted. I'll put the paper back in. I'm not using it till tomorrow, so put all the bits back in, and then I will turn it, I will show you it. I won't show myself on camera, lads. Does it come with anything else? It has a pocket on the inside. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Sorry. It's so pretty. And I have a beautiful little small Michael Kors purse that's almost the same colour. Lovely. It's like as if it was planned. There it is, my friends. It comes with this beautiful little guess. I guess you could call it, it's a bag charm hanging off of it. Oh my God, it's absolutely, lads, let's be fair. It's nice and small, fit perfectly over the wrist. It is a very small amount bigger than the bag I'm using at present. As I say, I'm still just unpacking it, taking all the shit that they pack it with off it. Now, I will leave what's in the middle of it. I don't want it to lose its shape, and it has these two things here, but I don't need them. I don't need them. What the fuck? Now, that shit would piss me off. Now, and it comes with this. It comes with these, they're like little security tags. I think they're so people can't rob the key, the little key fob that's on this, the little bag charm off of it, and they can't rob the strap either, and the strap doesn't get lost in transit. I'm not entirely sure. It seems very sturdy, lads. I have to say my initial impressions are it's not sturdy. This is very firm. This is quite firm. It jiggles a little, but they're meant to. Yeah, so far I'm impressed. Nice looking bag. See the straps and the handles seem to be very well made. Everything is covered in plastic to keep it safe. Very good and protected. And again, I'm still unwrapping. I tell you guys, you wouldn't want to be in a hurry watching this video now, would you? I know I have scissors. And the last thing I'm going to remove, it has Guess Los Angeles. This came, I checked the shipping. It came from Italy, lads. I ordered it not last night, the night before, and it has come in from Italy. That is the bag. That is the front of it, with Guess on the front. I am so impressed with that. I have to say, it feels really luxurious. For 60 quid, you can, just over 60 quid, reduced from 135 on their website. Comes with a dust bag and all, you cannot go wrong. Now, this is for size comparison, lads. The bag I'm using at the moment is the Dior Mini dupe. There is a bit of a difference, I'll be honest, there is. If you look at them together, there is a bit of a difference. But I don't think that it is a humongous difference. It's about an inch and maybe about an inch of width, an inch and a half, an inch of width difference. That's the difference in width, and that's the difference in height. So it's not a huge, it's a small, I'll be able to fit a small makeup bag. So this is my new Guess Camy mini bag. I am really happy. I really like it. It really feels nice, feels sturdy, feels strong. I'll use it for a while, and I will be doing a what's in my bag to show all of you folks what I'm carrying in it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this bag. Here's the back of it. It has a zipper. It has a zipper at the back, with a little pouch at the back. It has two pouches here, one each side, and they both have fasteners to close them. It has, inside it has Guess written all over it. Do you know something, lads? The next thing on my shopping list is the matching purse. Honest to God. I really do think this is a very, very elegant bag. It's right up my twisted little alleyway. Now, lads, I'm afraid I'm going to have to love and leave this because it's just 7 o'clock. I'm still in my pyjama top, but I have a tracksuit bottom on. So I'm just going to stick a t-shirt and a jacket on, and I'm heading around to Aldi to get a bit of grub in for the next 2 weeks because I didn't do grocery shopping. And that, my friends, is it. You will see it included after the Christmas break within a what I got for Christmas video, which I will be filming. Probably Stephen's Day, but not posting until closer to the new year. Okay, my friends, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And here we have a matching purse that I can use with it. Okay, happy out. Love my new bag. Really nice, tasteful, elegant. And I hope you've enjoyed. This will flick back to me and I'll do the closing blah-de-blah-de-blah for the video. So I hope you enjoyed. And I'm back, guys. My new guest bag unboxed for you all to admire. I am very delighted. I think it's lovely. It'll do. I mean, okay, it's kind of a spring summer type of color scheme, but you know me and my pink with white handles. Oh. Anyway, guys, it's a beauty. I'm very happy with it. I will be doing a what's in my bag. Give me a couple of weeks to use it first. I'm sitting here now. It is Christmas Eve, guys, so happy Christmas, everyone. I have a bar of white chocolate and a bottle of non-alcoholic Copperberg cider. Non-alcoholic, okay? Delicious, guys. Nice way to start. A nice way to start at 11:05 on Christmas Eve. But there's no alcohol in it, okay? Just in case anybody thinks I'm a wino. I'm going to be very busy later on delivering presents, so one wouldn't touch alcohol. Now I will show you my makeup for the day. Very subtle. Very little. I've got some by Terry CC cream in Sunny Flash with a little bit of that medium Paradise tinted moisturizer that L'Oreal brought out, mixed together. And then on my lips I'm wearing Beige New lip liner and Spice lip liner by MAC and Beige New lipstick by L'Oreal, Color Riche. So there we go. My hair is done. I got a few highlights in. It's a little bit overtoned on the top, but that will wash out. I'm happy with it, guys. So there will be pictures up on Instagram of my bag and of my makeup, and I will list what I'm wearing on my face on my Instagram. So if you are not subscribed to me there, please pop over there, and there's a link in my bio here on my channel, and join the fam over there too. Okay, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please click subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my Fab Over 40 fam. And anyway, guys, I have to go. I have a lot to do, and I will talk to you in my next video. Happy Christmas to you all. Mwah.